Today's word is another. It's small but powerful and used every day. It helps us add or change things in conversations. Another means one more or an additional one. It is used to talk about one more thing or person, not the same one. A common mistake is using another when you mean the same one. Remember, another means a different or extra one, not the exact same. Common patterns are another one, want another, give me another, and try another. These help you ask for or talk about additional things. I'll have another coffee, please. She bought another book yesterday. Can you give me another chance? Let's try another route today. Anna finished her sandwich but was still hungry. She asked for another one. The waiter smiled and gave her a fresh sandwich quickly. Think of the word another as a plus another. Another sounds like other, so it means an additional or different one. Remember, another means one more or an additional one. Use it often and try making sentences now.